Today we are going to show you the best budget drones you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best budget drones for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering budget drones, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The BetaFPV Cetus Lite FPV kit is an affordable and easy-to-fly kit that provides an excellent introduction to using FPV goggles. The Cetus Lite brushed quadcopter is incredibly lightweight at only 1.26 Us/36G, including a 300 mAh 1S LiPo battery, and is perfect for indoor flying. The maximum flight time advertised is 4 to 5 minutes, but during our testing, we found the flights to last around 3 minutes, which is likely due to the winter weather. In the summer, flights may last longer. The Cetus Lite airframe is made from strong PA12 plastic with built-in propeller guards, making it safe to fly indoors and around people. The drone is durable and can withstand most crashes, and its small size and light weight make it unlikely to cause any damage. However, it's essential to fly it with care. The Lite Radio 1 controller that comes with the kit is BetaFPV's entry-level model and features self-centering control sticks, making it easier to control. The controller has more buttons than necessary, with only the arm button to start and stop the motors, the speed button, and control sticks being used during flights. The controller and VTX video feed have a claimed range of up to 80 m, but it's best to keep the Cetus Lite within 25 m to avoid connection issues. One of the most attractive aspects of the Cetus Lite FPV kit is its simplicity combined with safety features, making it easy to fly even for beginners. However, some of these features may make the kit outgrow quickly. But for beginners, the ease of flight means that they can focus on using FPV goggles. FPV goggles can be a strange experience at first due to the quality of the analog video feed, the size of the image in the goggles, and the lack of spatial awareness when using them. As experience grows, confidence and ability grow, and the Cetus Lite kit is a useful tool for getting used to this aspect of FPV flight, as it's a slow and easy-to-fly drone. The Cetus Lite has some safety features that make flight simpler than standard micro-whoops. When a crash is detected by the 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit sensor, emergency auto-locking automatically disarms the motors. Number 4. The DJI Ryze Tello is an ideal drone for beginners who want to learn how to fly drones. With its small and sleek design, it is perfect for indoor flying. The Tello provides a smooth and accurate flight experience with its small, tight movements. The control system is easy to use and accurate, which is available through the mobile phone app. The app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. The setup process is simple. Just download the app, turn on the drone, and press the Connect button. This will connect your phone to the drone's Wi-Fi. After this, you can view the surroundings through the drone's lens, and you are ready to fly. Although the Tello is a great drone for beginners, it lacks stability when hovering. It tends to drift off quickly, which may be due to its lightweight frame or lack of GPS tethering. The charging time for a single battery is about an hour, and the flight time is around 11 to 12 minutes. Thus, it is advisable to opt for the optional charger and 2 extra batteries, which can charge all 3 batteries in around 2 hours. The Tello has an impressive speed for its small size, with a top speed of slightly over 17 mph/8 meters per second and a range of almost 100 m distance, with a clear line of sight. The joystick controller via the app is responsive with little to no delay, and minimal touch/effort is required to control direction/rotation and pitch. The Tello is a great value for money, priced at $99 online, making it a perfect choice for beginners. Number 3. The Holy Stone drone, referred to as HS175D, is an excellent option for beginners. It is both affordable and lightweight, weighing under 250 grams, which means registration is not required in most countries. The drone comes in a convenient bag that contains all the necessary accessories, including a spare battery, spare propellers and screws, 2 USB battery chargers, a micro USB cable for RC charging, and a user manual in both English and German. The case has a comfortable handle and an internal zip mesh pocket for small parts. The drone itself is quite small, measuring only 145 by 90 by 60 millimeters with folded arms, and it can easily fit in your palm. It has a takeoff weight of 215 grams, 7.58 ounces, with a loaded battery, and the overall build quality is good, giving the impression that it won't fall apart on the first flight. However, the videos it shoots can become unusable if it's windy or you fly too fast. Although Holy Stone advertises the drone as a 4K camera drone, that is only partially true. The main camera can take 4096 by 3072 4K photos and only 2688 x 1512 at 25 FPS 2K videos. It can accept up to 64 GB of TF cards for onboard recording, and the camera has a 120 degrees wide-angle lens that allows remote angle adjustment from straight ahead to ground view, plus or minus 90 degrees. According to Holy Stone's specs, the 2S1700 mAh battery pack allows a maximum flight time of 23 minutes in optimal conditions. In comparison, the DJI Mini 2 has a 2,250 mAh battery that provides around 30 minutes of flight time. Number 2. The DJI Mini 2 SE is very similar to both the Mini SE and the Mini 2. It weighs slightly more than those two at 246 g, including the battery, propellers, and a microSD card. The DJI Mini 2 SE is light enough to fly in the UK without a flyer ID, but you still need the operator ID. The DJI Mini 2 SE's battery capacity and size are also the same as the other two models, 2,250 mAh, 82.5 g. The drone's body is made of durable plastic to protect its internals from occasional bumps, but it's lightweight enough not to affect its performance. The USB-C charging port and the memory card slot are at the rear, and that's also where you can remove the battery. The flying capabilities of the DJI Mini 2 SE are impressive, with level 5 wind resistance, up to 10.7 meters per second or 38 kilometers per hour, and plus or minus 0.1 m vertical and plus or minus 0.3 m horizontal hovering accuracy with vision positioning. This, together with its superb gimbal performance, ensures that the DJI Mini 2 SE stays in the air where you left it. The drone also has several return-to-home RTH modes. Smart RTH uses GPS to find its way back to the controller, while low battery RTH is activated when the battery is depleted to a point where it may not be possible to return the DJI Mini 2 SE if not performed immediately. There's also a fail-safe RTH option that retraces the drone's flight path if it loses connection to the controller up to 50 meters. Interestingly, the Mini 2 SE uses the same 12MP 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor as the Mini 2, but it can only shoot 2.7K footage up to 30 frames per second, unlike the Mini 2, which can shoot videos in 4K. Sadly, the DJI Mini 2 SE doesn't have a true vertical shooting option. Number 1. The Mini 3 has a slightly longer flight time than the Mini 3 Pro, using the same 2,453 mAh intelligent flight battery. Although the maximum advertised flight time is 38 minutes compared to the Pro's 34 minutes, the actual flight time is about 25 minutes, taking into consideration environmental factors and the default charge level of 25% when return to home is initiated. Winter testing indicates that flight times may improve during the warmer summer months. The DJI RC Smart Controller is another controller option, which features a 5.5-inch touchscreen with adjustable brightness. There are 3 primary flight modes available: Cine, Normal, and Sport. Cine mode is the slowest with reduced control sensitivity for capturing smoother video footage. Normal is the most commonly used mode, while Sport is the fastest with a maximum speed of 35.8 miles per hour. The drone can fly in wind speeds up to level 5, up to 24 miles per hour, in Sport mode. However, it may drift and controls may become less responsive as the drone fights against wind gusts. The camera is the main point of interest for most people. It can be rotated 90 degrees between landscape and portrait format, and all photo and video functionality is available in both orientations. The camera has a 12MP 1/1.3-inch sensor and provides a 24mm equivalent focal length, along with a fixed f/1.7 aperture and a focus range between 1m and infinity. Shooting modes include single shot, timed, auto exposure bracketing, panorama sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle, and HDR. Photos can be captured in JPEG and RAW, with the former providing decent results straight out of the camera and the latter providing more advanced users with increased editing control. Video is slightly more limited than with the Mini 3 Pro, but you can shoot in 4K at up to 30 frames per second, 2.7K at up to 60 frames per second, and FHD at up to 60 frames per second. When shooting at 24/25/30 FPS, HDR video is captured. All of the best budget drones your list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which budget drones would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.